Hello team. We already installed IBM Db2 data management console, I mean DMC. And this is the DMC application. Here we already configured the target databases and the repository databases. So now we might upgrade DMC to Genius Hub. For that, this is the Linux server. Here I already installed data management console. Version is 3.1.13.1 Linux version. It's available in this particular directory. I just go inside this directory and go to the bin folder. Run the status.sh file. You will get see the application is up and running. Okay, now I just go to. Now we will see how to download Db2 Genius Hub. Go to the Fix Central. In the product selection, type for Genius. Select the IBM Db2 Genius Hub. Select the latest version. Select the platform as Linux because I'm installing in the Linux machine. Currently it's available only in the Linux machines, LUW only. Click continue and click continue. Here we can search for the particular fix pack. But I'm just browsing it. Here list of fix packs are available. We are looking for the Linux CLI. So I selected this and click continue. So accept the terms and conditions. So here this is the file. So I just right click and copy the address, go to this machine, and currently all these files, DMZ files available in this particular folder directory. Here I just download it by using wget command. And this is 2.4 GB data file. It will take little time. Yeah, it's completely downloaded. Next, -xvf, then the file name, IBM Db2 Genius Hub. This will enter this file. This will take around 1 minute time because there are more files are inside. It will create a directory called IBM Db2 Genius Hub and it will put all those files inside it. Yeah, it's done. Now you can see the new. So we have downloaded a Db2 Genius Hub and enter it. So this is the directory, main directory. I just go inside. Here you can see the list of directories and files. You have to run setup.sh file to install. So I just run this setup.sh. So it gives the welcome message and it's asking us to choose the option. Option 1, direct installation of Genius Hub. Option 2, upgrade existing Db2 Intelligence Center to Db2 Genius Hub. Third option is upgrade data management console to Genius Hub. Now we are upgrading data management console to Genius Hub, so I choose the third option. It's asking press enter to continue. I press enter in the keyboard. Then it automatically found the path where data management console DMZ is installed. So I just copy and it's asking us to enter it. If the path is other than that, if DMZ is not up and running, then it won't find the correct path. So you have to give the proper path. So that's why currently DMZ is up and running, so it's found the correct path. So anyway, it's asking press enter the installation path of IBM Db2 Genius Hub to confirm the upgrade. So I just enter that path and press enter. So it's asking DB2 data management console is currently up and running. We have to stop it. So it's asking us to stop or not. So I press enter Y to stop. So it's stopping the data management console DMZ. It stopped. Then it's asking us to check whether have you backed the repository database. I already backed the repository database, so I just press Y. If you press N, I mean no means, it will stop the installation. It's asking you to backup first, then you start from the beginning. So I press Y to continue. I already backed the repository database. And then it's starting the repository database migration now. See here you can see repository database it's like repository database migration completed, SMTP configuration migration completed, SNMP configuration completed, JVM configuration migrated. Now it's asking press enter to continue. So migration is completed. So now it's giving the license agreement. You have to press enter to accept the agreement, 2 to decline, 3 to print it, 4 to read non-IBM terms, 99 to go back to the previous screen. So I just press enter to accept the agreement, accept the agreement. So now it's asking us to enter, it's like a default admin user ID is admin, enable custom key encryption true, and do you want to continue the setup with the same configuration? I press Y. So it's starting the server. This will take some time. So server is started. You can see the console HTTP URL. You can copy this URL. You can open the browser and press enter. So now give the admin credentials, same admin credentials. DB2 Genius Hub is opened successfully. Here you can see the target database. Go to the administration console. Go to the repository database. You can see the same repository database from the DMZ. So everything is getting copied. It's like a migration is completed, upgradation is completed. So that's it. So now we can use an IBM Db2 Genius Hub. Thank you.